Men's yukata has mainly 6 patterns: sleeves, sode, body, migoro, front stripes, okumi, shoulder patch lining, kataate, color, eri, reinforcement color, kakeeri. All the patterns are straight cut, very simple, unlike garment pattern. Yukata sewing is so easy. Almost all the stitches are straight running stitch, besides the curve on the sleeve. There are 9 stitches to sew yukata. Start stitching on sleeves, 2 on the center back of the back body, 3 shoulder patch lining, 4 front strips, 5 side seam of the body, 6 hemline, 7 color, 8 reinforcement color. Then final sewing is attaching sleeves to the body. Yukata making is like a 3D origami. If you love origami, you would enjoy yukata making. Let's get started. See you inside the class.